Hello, my name is Pat Cummings, and I'm Director of Research and Evaluation in Tacoma. And I am going to hopefully do a series of short podcasts for my fellow colleagues in the testing, research, evaluation field. Before I had gray hair, I spent a lot of time in other people's offices learning different ways of data display and statistical analysis. And now that I've been doing this profession for a few years, and with the technology of podcasts, hopefully this will be a way of disseminating information to others so they may learn a few tricks and tips in the area of assessment research and data display. So let's get started. Usually most of the programs we'll be using for this for our assessment is either Access or Excel, sometimes SPSS. We'll be featuring some of the Excel tips usually in our podcast. So let's start by opening Excel. Now, there's a couple of things, a couple ways we can open Excel. If it's a recently opened program, sometimes it will show up in the menu on the left here. Otherwise, you can go to All Programs, find Microsoft Office, the folder, and in that folder you can find Excel. Well, obviously this is a little bit cumbersome. I'll just show you a shortcut that I use, which is going to the Run menu and typing Excel. Excel opens. Using the Run menu to open programs is often a little easier. MS Paint will open Paint. WinWord will open Windows Word. Notepad opens Notepad. Now, one of the frustrating default features with Excel is that we see this Getting Started startup task pane on the left here. And this will tell you connect to other Office products online. It'll show you the various recent files you've opened. You can also create a new workbook. Most people find this as being a little bit cumbersome and they want to get rid of it. So let's start our first lesson by showing you how to do that. Under the Tools section, under Options, in the View tab, we can see this Startup Task pane, Show Startup Task pane. So if we uncheck this, this will show us, this will eliminate this task pane the next time we start Excel. So let's just try that again. So here we go, Run Excel. The task pane's gone. So that's there's some other hidden features in this Tools section. One is if you want to get rid of the row or column headers, if you want to get rid of the grid lines, those features are there for you. Usually, obviously, we want those features for most of the work that we do. So I'll turn those features back on. Showing the formulas is a feature. In case you have a spreadsheet with a lot of different formulas, that will actually display the formula for you. So anyway, this is a short lesson just to get to know each other, and hopefully there will be some more coming. Thank you very much. Bye.